G'day everyone, Jono here from Nova Caravans, and today let's talk airbags. When we fit airbags to our Terra Sportz models, they're all stage 4, so it's a fully automatic system. However, when you are driving out on the open road, you want your centre of gravity low. So what I normally suggest is drop the airbags until about the size of your fist between the tyre and the top of the wheel arch. Then basically leave them in the manual mode. When you are heading off-road, when you can only do 30 or 40 kilometres an hour, that's when you flip it into auto and you let the airbags do themselves. Once you travel with any trailer with air, trust me, you'll never go back. One little trick with airbags though, particularly over a long period of time, the air in the line can turn to moisture, which can block the lines. We've got a little relief valve underneath here, so if that ever happened, all you have to do is hold this little button in for 10 seconds, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So I should also mention, when you put the airbags into auto mode, they're fully automatic. They'll self-level each side. Now, the funny thing is, and most of the phone calls I get, is why the PSI number's never the same? It's really simple, the ground's not level. Now, to override that, we can just flip it into manual to lower the van to make it easier to get in and out of when we're at our favourite campground. So you can't really get much easier than that.